Good afternoon, friends. Let me give you an update of 1 week. The terrace garden is doing very well, and things seem to be working out. As you can see that now the rains are kind of subsiding, and there is some amount of sunlight throughout the day. So let me give you an update on the DWC system. This is the reservoir. If you see, these are brinjal seedlings, which I had actually transplanted quite early, and they seem to be doing well. And this is tomato. These plants are also looking very healthy. There's again brinjal. These are cucumber. Cucumber seems to be doing very well in this system. Now going to our drip irrigated soilless system, as I had told you last time that I will be making a wire mesh so that these plants can start growing upwards. So I completed that work today, and you can see the wire mesh is done. Now all the plants would be essentially growing upwards, like you can see these are, I have mostly creepers, and this is bitter gourd. Again, bitter gourd is doing very well here. Very healthy plants. And again, I have got some tomato here. So I have got these strings down from the wire up so that we can give it some support and it can grow upside. Okay, and here we have beans, we have got coriander, we have got lady's finger coming up very well. I have just transplanted some tomatoes from there into this. So the tomatoes are doing very well. Here you can see the turmeric. Turmeric is doing exceptionally well. So I am very happy with whatever has happened up till now. As you can see, the coriander has started to come up quite well, and this is just a trial kind of a thing. I will be removing them and putting some other vegetable here soon. Okay, these are lady's finger. Again, they have come up very well. These are tomatoes. Here again, as you see, I have given it support from top. Then we have chili. Chili is also good germination. This is long beans. Long beans are coming up well. So like I told you that we have a drip system, and they are fed with fertigated water twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening for 5 minutes each, and it seems to be working fine. Now I'll come to my the NFT system. There's a hydroponic system that I have put, and somehow I have ended up having multiple plants on it. So I have got this Indian mustard which I harvested last week. They have grown again, so I am going to keep them for another 2 weeks or so, and then replace them with tomato plants. And they are growing pretty well, so maybe next week I'll get a good harvest out of these. As you see, this is capsicum, and capsicum has already started to flower. And as you see, there was a slight issue with there's a nitrogen deficiency, so I have done the needful for it. And you can see these are doing very well. All of them are flowering. So capsicum is a 9-month capsicum has a 9-month cycle, and now these plants will keep giving fruits for next 9 months, and which is really good. And here on the same system I have got cucumber, and cucumber seems to be doing extremely well. As you can see, I have started to get these flowers, and small cucumbers are coming in, and there are multiple of them. So I think it is going to do very well in next couple of days, and I am sure I will be able to harvest some very soon. So they were growing actually everywhere, so I have brought them on. I have given them support so that they can climb up, and hopefully they will now grow vertically. So cucumber has got a cycle of about 90 days, and I believe it should do very well here as well. So all in all, the plants are doing very well, and I think most of the physical work here is completed. From now I only need to take care of the plants and see to it that they are fertigated properly. So that's it. Please feel free to connect with me for any questions, and happy growing.